Hey Kipsters, this is Miss Candela. We're going to be doing phonics today. We're going to be talking about long E and short E. So pay close attention to see if you can find any words that have a short E spelling and a long E spelling. Let's go ahead and get started with line 1. Remember, you are blending the words, so you need to be saying them out loud. All together, deck. All together, sleep. All together, bread. All together, fetch. Awesome. Now let's come back and talk about two words. I noticed that here in this word, we can see a green box spelling. Now, if you remember when we were in the classroom, we learned about green box spellings. Green box spellings have short vowels that come before them. So here, I can see green box CK. Every time we see green box CK or the CK spelling, it means it's going to have a short vowel before it. In this case, it's short E. D-E-K, deck. Now, here we can see another green box spelling. Green box TCH, ch, right? It also has a short vowel sound, which is short E, f, ch. Good job. Now let's go ahead and blend line 2. Here we go. All together, chief. All together, expect. All together, meal. All together, head. All right, so let's talk about line 2 really quick. In line 2, I see two words that have the same spelling but make different sounds. Can you guess what those words are? If you said meal and head, you're right. These two words here have the same spelling, but they don't make the same sound. Watch out. EA in meal makes the long E sound. E, E. Here in the word head, EA makes the short E sound. He, D, right? So we have to be careful with that spelling. Great. Let's move on to line 3. Here we go. All together, puppy. All together, puppies. All together, lily. All together, lilies. Awesome. Let's go ahead and talk about line 3. We're going to identify words that are singular and words that are plural. So now, singular means just one thing. And plural means more than one thing, right? And when we talk about singular and plural, we're mostly talking about things or nouns, right? So here in the word puppy, think about it. Is that singular or is that plural? Puppy. If you said singular, good job. We're only talking about one puppy. When we have words or nouns that end in a Y, it means it's singular. Now, puppies. Do you think that's singular or plural? Yes, it's plural. More than one puppy. That's why we have the IES at the end. Lily, just one, singular. And when we say lilies, we are talking about more than one lily. So it's lilies, which is plural, more than one. Good job. Now let's move on to line 4. Here we go. All together, beak. All together, break. All together, fast. Oops. Breakfast. Sorry, guys. Let's do that one again. I got caught off guard for a little bit, so let's do that one again. All right, here we go. Break. Fist. Breakfast. All together, treat. All together, thread. Good job. Now let's move on to line 5. Here we go. All together, hedge. All together, Mexico. All together, speck. All together, freckle. Good job. Let's talk about this word here. What do we call words that have an uppercase and are nouns? Good job if you said proper noun. Proper nouns are nouns that begin with an uppercase, like Mexico. Line 6. All together, employee. All together, easy. All together, evergreen. All together, sorry, let's do that one again. Here we go. Careful with this spelling. Remember, it can make either the long or the short E sound, but watch how it finishes. All together, steady. Now, when we have words that end in Y, that means it's going to make the long E sound. Steady.